Welcome to our channel! Today we're going to take a closer look at the integrated Bundy tube straightening, cutting, and bending machine. This fully automatic steel tube bending machine is a game changer in the industry, and we're going to explore its features and capabilities. The integrated Bundy tube straightening, cutting, and bending machine is designed to handle steel tubes with a diameter range of 4/8 millimeter. It offers a seamless operation process. Let's dive into the operation process. The operation process is as follows: decoiler, straightening, cutting, flipped loading rack, tube end alignment, rotating disc, feeding, bending, auxiliary tube return device. This streamlined process ensures efficiency and precision in every step. The machine adopts servo motor drive to ensure the accuracy of feeding. The bending tube feeding adopts a servo clamping method, ensuring the stability of feeding. This technology minimizes errors and maximizes the machine's performance. This technology guarantees consistent and precise results, meeting the highest industry standards. The projected length of the steel tube has a benchmark fixed length, ensuring consistent and accurate results. This feature is crucial for meeting specific project requirements and quality standards. The machine's ability to clamp the tube ends ensures the neatness of the tube bending process. The smooth surface of the bending wheel is designed to protect the surface of the tube, ensuring a flawless finish without any scratches or imperfections. This feature contributes to the overall quality and precision of the finished product. Setting the bending program is a breeze with the touchscreen interface. The machine also features an emergency stop switch for added safety, giving operators peace of mind during operation. The integrated Bundy tube straightening, cutting, and bending machine is a powerhouse in the industry, offering unmatched precision, efficiency, and flexibility. Whether you're working with steel tubes of varying diameters or intricate bending requirements, this machine is up to the task. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.